Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to unlink your PayPal to GCash. To unlink your account, you just have to follow the steps. Now you can do this procedure from your PayPal or either GCash. So I'm gonna show you the steps. First thing first, go ahead and open up your GCash application and log into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. At the bottom of the page, you can see profile. Click that. As you click on the profile, then you could see your profile information. So here you want to go to my linked account. When you click on my linked account, you could find all of these accounts that's linked to your GCash account. So here, go ahead and select the PayPal as well. Once you select that, click on remove or unlink option and you'll be asked to fill out all of the necessary details, such as why do you want to unlink it, all that. So if you're sure about it, confirm it, and this way you'll have successfully unlinked your PayPal to GCash account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.